So before we display the rating of each product, so we need to calculate the average of the rating. And to do that, so now we have the products, as I said, we have the products with the reviews. We have here the reviews, as you can see. So we need to calculate the average of the rating. So here we have 5 and here we have 3. So let's calculate average, and first thing we need to do, so inside the product, so not add review, so here we have only the form, so let's remove it. So we will work inside the products.view. So let's calculate the average of the ratings. And to do that, let's define a variable. We name it review AVG, and let's use the computed property. Don't forget to import it. So here, this one will use a function. So first thing we need to do is to parse to the integer the results that we will get. And here inside we have the data.product.review, reviews with S. So here, this one, the array that contains the reviews, this one. So we are looping through it using the reduce function, and this function takes ACC, which is the accumulator, and the review that we have, and we need what we will do. We need to accumulate the accumulator with the review.rating, and we divide everything with the products.reviews.length. So this is the way how we calculate the average of ratings, and we give the 0, which is the initial value of the accumulator, and we used to fix it like this, and we give it 1 to show only the average will be, for example, like this, 4 point like this. So we need to remove all this and keep only, if we use to fixed 2, we will have 2 characters like this. If we use 1, we will have only like this, 4.8. So we need to get the review rating as we have done when we added the review. So let's go, or let's import it first here. So import star rating from view rating or view star rating, and we can use it. So we can use it after the price. We can use it here. Let's bring this one and put it here. And as I said, the star rating takes the, as we have seen when we added the form, it needs a model, v model. So let's do it now. So the v model, and as we have seen, the v model takes a rating, and the rating will be the variable that we have defined, which is the review AVG. So let's add it now, and let's just organize this one and save and take a look. So let's see what we have here. Let's go back here. So here, this one is a null error. As you can see now, we have 4. So 4 is the 4 is the average of the ratings. So we have here, let's go back here. So here is the network. So here we have rating of 5 and a rating of 3. So 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by the 2 reviews, which is the length that we have defined here. This one, which is the length that we have here, divided by 2, give us 4. And I think we don't need this one. Let's remove it and see what we will get. So let's check and see. It's the same thing because we are using here parse. So now we need to add some props to these components that we have here. So the first one, we need to tell that this component we are only reading. So reading, which means we are only displaying. So we don't need to provide a click to the user as we have seen in the when we add a review. So we have another property which is read only, that doesn't take anything. Let's save and see now. So now it's only read. Let's refresh the page and it will display only for reviews. So now we can't change the review as we have seen before. And also the stars are a little bit bigger, so we need to change the size of stars. And to do that, we have another property which is star size, and we give it 24. So we will only use size of 24. As you can see now, it's small, and we can keep this one, which is how many stars. We can keep it here. So let's add another one and check if this rating average will change or not. So let's add another one. Let's add the third, or let's change to bad product. I don't like it. It's awful. It's awful. So let's give it just 1 star and submit. So now review has been added successfully. As you can see now, it's changed to only 3 stars. So here we have, let's go back here. So here we have the 5, the 3 which is 8, and the 1 which is 9. If we divide it by the length that we have done here, the length which is 3 reviews, if we divide 9 by how many reviews that we have, which is 3, so we will get 3, as you can see here. So now we can add and display the rating or the average rating of a product. So we need also to display reviews. So we are not displaying reviews. So let's do that now.